In today's digital landscape, the disparity between wealth and poverty can often be traced back to the quality of questions being asked. When the average person turns to AI, they oftentimes seek basic information. For example, they might ask, how to make money online, and receive a detailed but ultimately unhelpful response, leading them to make $0. The critical misstep here lies not in the technology itself, but in the nature of the prompts. On the other hand, individuals who leverage AI for tangible assets understand how to formulate their questions differently. A wealthy person might inquire, provide me with 10 U.S. companies hiring remote video editors today, including emails. Notice the difference? The nuanced request opens doors to actionable resources that can lead to immediate financial gain. Understanding this distinction is essential for anyone looking to enhance their financial status through the use of AI tools. To break free from financial constraints, it's vital to employ the 1% rule. This principle emphasizes that instead of seeking advice, one should ask AI for resources or assets. For instance, if you're a video editor, you could ask, draft a cold email to a U.S. real estate agent offering shorts editing, under 70 words. This approach diverts focus from mere information into actionable assets that can generate income. Additionally, querying AI for specific opportunities can yield incredible results. A request like, list 20 U.S. YouTubers with under 50,000 subscribers who pay for scripts, narrows your efforts down to a target audience likely to value your skills. Moving further, by asking for a content calendar for a U.S. finance TikTok page, you can streamline your creative process and have a roadmap to follow. By simply copying, pasting, and sending these tailored proposals, you lay the groundwork for that first $100. The realization is clear: individuals do not face an AI problem, rather, they grapple with a prompting problem. The effectiveness of your engagement with artificial intelligence significantly hinges upon how you structure your inquiries. Make the shift from general questions to specific commands designed to extract real value. Get prepared to comment asset to receive actionable prompts. It's time to understand the power of the right questions and transform your financial journey and harness AI not simply as a tool for information but as a generator of wealth.